भारत का वैक्सीनेशन 2021 में ही दिसंबर के पहले पूरा होगा।
Well, we're here. It's December. It's the end of the year, and I'm sure, like me, former Union Minister Prakash Javadekar is also wondering where the year went by. Okay, but jokes aside, was India ever really going to complete vaccinating all its adults by December? Where do we stand at the moment? And when will we actually achieve the target mentioned by Prakash Javadekar? Let me explain. But before I dive into that, a quick reminder to support our journalism. You can do so by becoming a member of the Newsminute community by clicking on the link in the description below. Also, to catch every episode of Let Me Explain, which comes out every week, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So it was pretty clear even at the end of May when Prakash Javadekar made his statement that it was going to be difficult, very, very difficult to complete vaccinating all adults by December. At the time, India had fully vaccinated only 3% of its adults and vaccines were in short supply. Remember how difficult it was to get a vaccination appointment on COVID back then? So where did this confidence come from? Prakash Javadekar had said that by December, 216 crore doses would be ready. In other words, 108 crore individuals would be able to get their vaccinations. How? Let's go back to that press conference in May.
Covishield, Covaxin, Zydus Cadila, Novavax, Genova, Sputnik.
Those were the vaccines that were supposed to be available in India by December. Out of the 6 vaccines that Prakash Javadekar mentions, only 3 are available today: Covishield, Covaxin and Sputnik. Although India has done fairly well and there were days when vaccination touched record levels, the fact is that limited vaccine options and limited supply for most of the year hit the overall vaccination coverage. But supply no longer seems to be a problem, at least as far as Covishield goes. Serum Institute of India majorly ramped up its production, going from over 6 crore doses in May to over 25 crore doses in December. In fact, there have been recent reports from many states of unused vaccine stocks. But there's another reason why the government was never going to achieve its December target. The gap between the first and the second dose for Covishield made achieving the target quite unrealistic. Incidentally, Covishield accounts for nearly 90% of all vaccine doses being given in India. Then there's the fact that many who got COVID had to wait at least 3 months before taking the shot. Then many may be hesitant or not willing to take the vaccine. 100% was never going to be achievable. Okay, so where does India's COVID-19 vaccination coverage stand? As of December 23rd, over 88% of adults in India have gotten the first dose, while nearly 60% are fully vaccinated. Just to break it down further, that's over 83 crore persons who have taken the first shot and over 56 crore individuals who have taken both shots, and a total of 139 crore doses that have been given. Some states, of course, are doing better than others. Himachal Pradesh and Sikkim have managed to nearly fully vaccinate its population, with over 99% of adults getting both doses in these 2 states. Uttarakhand has managed to give the first dose to 100% of its eligible population, while Jammu and Kashmir, Gujarat and Karnataka have given the first dose to 99% of adults in their states. But obviously, as a nation, we're still not close to fully vaccinating all adults by December 31st. But by how many weeks or months will we miss the target? And when will we actually fully vaccinate all adults? Rijo John, a health economist, told me that based on the current pace of vaccinations, India is looking at another 70 days before we can fully vaccinate all adults. But this, he said, comes with a huge caveat that people don't hesitate to take the vaccines. This means that we're looking at the target being met well beyond February, unless something changes on the ground. Of course, India still has a long road ahead in 2022, including vaccinating its children and perhaps booster shots for those who are vulnerable. So what do you think? Do you think India has done well in its vaccination coverage so far? Or do you think that the government could have done better? Tell us in the comments. Also, if you've liked this video, don't forget to hit like and share it with your friends.